Hi, I'm Paul Harris with Aurora Multimedia, and I'm showing the IPX-TC3 series today. So the IPX-TC3 is our latest SDVoE-based 10 gig product. It's improved from the IPX-TC2 from last year. And this year we've introduced a numerous amount of models, amongst them some new box versions as well as wall plate versions. So we now have the regular TC3 and the TC3 Pro series. The main difference between the two of them is the Pro can do scaling, seamless switching, video wall, as well as windowing. The TC3 Pro can't do those features, but when mixed with them, it can do all the features except for the windowing. So a combination of the two makes for very good price points and further lowers the cost of implementing a 10 gig solution. So what we've done this year that's new is we've not only redesigned the enclosure a little bit, but we've given the ability to do a hub built into it, so we could do reversible USB with a hub built into it locally at 480 megabits per second. We've now added 8-channel Dante, not just for surround sound, but for taking different channels of Dante and mixing them together, because the new IPX-TC3 series have DSPs built into them. And so we could do lightweight EQing, we could do some mixing, and we could do as well some ducking. So we can get a little fun with that. We also have the ability to embed, de-embed audio locally, whether it's an encoder or a decoder. As always, we're the first and only company to do 10 gig transceivers. So these, as usual, following our typical pathways, transceiver units. You tell them to be encoders or decoders. We have a dual fiber version, which we're the only ones to do that. We have a copper fiber version. As far as I'm aware, we're the only ones doing that as well. And a copper only version for people just looking to the low cost and just doing copper only in their implementations. So in addition to this, we've also made the world's only wall plate version for 10 gig. Comes available in black or in white. These new wall plates will do the 4K 60 444. They have 2 HDMI inputs and an HDMI output. This is great for when you do, for example, a room combining. You could put one in the front of the wall, one in the back of the wall, and you can actually tell one on the fly to be an encoder, the other one to be a decoder, and you can actually change the flow and put rollabout cards, inputs from laptops, and so on. So it really ups the ante of what you can do. We do have an option card for the Reax engine, which is our open source, non-proprietary, non-platform specific control engine. And this will allow for a full Linux engine to be inserted into any one of these boxes and control and automate an entire system without the need for a third-party control solution. As with any good hardware, you need some good software. So our IP-based Team Manager program is an enterprise-class web server-based solution, allows us to control all the different things that we do here, whether it's windowing, multi-view routing, which is obviously windowing, video wall setup, seamless switching, everything that we need to do. For fast deployment, we have rapid deployment tools. We can download every box on the system, set it up, send it back up the spreadsheet, and then it will instantaneously set up all the different devices on it. Edit editors, everything you need to set this up. User profiles, groups, everything you need in order to set levels and permissions and anything you need to do with the full solution. So this is our new IPX-TC3 solution. You can get more information at www.auroramm.com, and thank you.